that is our view. Look at them clouds. Good morning. It's our last day in Ireland. Not much to do. We've been...
Don't worry, I'll do all the packing.
Yes, you do that. Everything's packed now, thanks to Neve.
It's always me, guys.
Look at her. The perfect girlfriend. So yeah, we're just going to go to Belfast. We're chilled today. I think we're leaving at 11-ish. Yeah. So, Belfast. Look at that. Let's go.
Let's see how many layers I got on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I've got top and underneath this. And I've got my motorbike jacket.
And my winter gloves.
Oh.
Oh. Engine was cold. So we've just arrived in Belfast and we're going to see the castle, but the signs were really weird because it says no motorbikes or quads allowed, but cars are, which I don't know, because we were basically going around doing a U-turn and then this gentleman with his dog said, oh, we can come up. So
Did some illegal driving.
Anyway, we'll see if there's my bike still down there when we get back. I feel like the person that used to own this used to hate dogs and used to hate motorbikes. What day is it today?
Monday.
Typical, isn't it? Well, that's Ulster Museum. Amazing. Let's go to the market. If it's shut, I'll laugh my head off. Oh no. How can our day get any worse?
Why is nothing open on a Monday? Have you missed it?
No, it's not open. so tired. All she wants to do is sleep. Don't you? All you want to do is sleep.
No, I'm so full of energy. I'm having so much fun.
Yeah, Belfast's your favourite city, isn't it?
Yes. Let's go.
Come on. What's that?
Titanic mini.
Mini Titanic. That's where the Titanic Museum is. Or that. That is a rusty something. Looks like a boat, doesn't it? I don't know. Very weird.
This is the cathedral. Don't really know what to say. Looks pretty churchy. Here's Samuel reading about the cathedral. Come on then.
Oh, hello. We are heading to the port. It's our last couple of minutes in Ireland before we head off back to Liverpool. I feel like you've stopped the video. Oh. So yes, next time you'll see us, we'll be on the boat. And Neve will be happy because all she can have is chocolate and snacks and all the attention of the world.
I've been neglected.
She's been neglected. Just been seeing all these nice things that we'll only see once in our lifetimes. But cuddles can wait forever.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye, guys. Hello. We are. We've just had showers in here. We're all installed. Neve is watching The Real Housewives of Cheshire. So, good night on her behalf. I'm going to go and look at what is in store. No, you're not. You're watching this. No, we're going now. Let's go. Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Who's not wearing any shoes?
I don't want to put my sweaty boots on.
Yeah, my feet are going to smell amazing.
Really hurt.
Not even departed yet, look. Souvenirs.
It's like duty free. We are moving.
We are moving. Go out, go out, go out.
My feet will go up.
Oh, I'll go out. We're leaving. Hello. Kiss. There's a bar there. There's a cafe there. If we're gamers, we can go in here. Restaurant in here. So we're in the movie lounge.
I don't know how you pick a movie. It's quite a small ferry.
Well, it is just Belfast, Liverpool, isn't it? It's not anything major. And that is us done.
Good night.
Good night, and see you.
Rock and roll.
See you probably in a year's time when I upload another video. Goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah, you might not see me even in a year's time.
Yeah. Probably found someone better with a big bike.
Maybe.
Hopefully. Joking.
Goodbye.
Bye, guys.